This is the sunset at Mussoorie Club Mahindra property. A beautiful golden hue view of the hills in various shades. And magical and mystical forms of trees, as if it is trying to convey something. Seems to be like the oak tree, as Rishan is saying. And below, the beautiful valley. As I take you back, the sun has started playing hide and seek and has gone halfway behind. And Mr. Rishi, would you like to say something? No, he doesn't want to say anything. So I'm taking back to this property, and below, just see the beautiful valley view from the window. We are getting excellent view. This is
It's very
March.
cold in Mussoorie.
It's cold in Mussoorie. We just had a hot water bath and we're just out and reached today on March 3rd, 2026, enjoying this beautiful sunset. Thank you so much for your time.